Before joining the program, I was really struggling with getting into a routine that was sustainable for my lifestyle. I've never been one to enjoy physical activities. Getting into that routine was very difficult for me. The program and Cohnan have been really great at getting my mindset in the right place, encouraging you to move forward and to keep improving every day. The big skepticism I had before hiring anyone was I just didn't know how, especially an online coach, could impact my lifestyle in the way that Cohnan has. I'm really grateful for all the resources that he has, just the sense of community that he tries to build around all his clients. I want to do the workouts now. I want to improve my eating habit. That has really helped me gain that confidence that I lacked. I feel better. I feel stronger. I don't feel as tired. Everything that Cohnan has done has really helped me get into that groove of things and really just make better choices.